she learns about the toy. I don't want to distract her. She's discovered the mirror, too, finally. It's like, oh, look who's there. It's me. It's Veda in the mirror. It's so exciting. Is that you in there, Veda? Yeah. Oh, so much fun. Yes. I guess I'll have to bring this to Florida, huh? I'm afraid that if I don't bring it, then when we come back, she won't like it anymore. She'll be too big for it. Hey? Yes, I'll have to figure out how to take it apart. Yes. We're going to crowd Grandma and Grandpa, huh? Yeah. I distracted you and I wasn't going to. It's very fun to just watch her play. Yeah. What's going on? Can you get the frog? Oh. Yes, I love the frog. Yeah. And the beads. Oh boy. So much fun. My hands actually do what I want them to now. Sort of. Yeah, and I can jump. Okay, that's enough, eh? What was that?